Hi guys, welcome to my video. Me and my brother gonna play Murder Mystery 2. We're just got we're gonna just use our voice chat. Hey you, hey, my brother. Say hi to my vlog brother. And hello guys. And if you want to add us, and that's our name. That's his name and my name gonna be dropped and I'm gonna be comment. I'm just gonna put in the comment section. So please, someone subscribe. If you subscribe, I will give you a brain rot in the style brain rot. Just brain rot, God. Please don't judge me. I don't have any Robux. I'm just gonna be, I just wanna be content creator. Here is my bunsong kap. Here is my brother. Hey brother. What the heck? Why it's taking so long? It's a minute now. It's a been minute now. I don't have any weapon. Amazing. 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 Wala ko pet. Wala ko pet. I'm just gonna buy. Wala ko money. Tagalog rin ako guys. Para nagtagalog ako at English. I'm just gonna using English cause so that so many people can watch my video. And thank you so much for watching my video. And here is my avatar. If you want to add me, just this is my whole avatar. And my nickname is gonna be Julian Plays. And if you want to get a brain rot, just enter your username. I will add you. And thank you so much for watching. And let's go continue the video. Peace. What the heck are you doing here, brother? What the heck are you doing here, brother? Why it's taking so long to start? No one here. I'm trying to. Well, what the heck is taking so long? Why it's taking so long, brother? Hey, hey. Why it's taking so long? Why it's taking so long? Why? Why it's taking so long? I'm gonna leave the server and I'm gonna join another server. I'm just. Join me, brother. My nickname today is Bacon and Nick. And tomorrow, my name is gonna be Julian Plays. I'm gonna change now. Wait, guys. Julian. Julian Place. Here it is, guys. This is my display name, and this is my username, RFAndra7094655. And back to the murder mystery. I have an Android phone. I'm trying to saving up to be an iPhone phone. It's gonna be 3 rounds. 3 rounds, guys. 3 rounds. If we beat the challenge, you have to subscribe. The challenge is we need to win 3 times and 3 rounds. If we don't survive, we're gonna be facing reveal. Wow. Join me, brother. There he is. Yes, let's go. Another server, another fun. Let's go. What am I gonna say? Innocent. We are innocent. I can beat this challenge that you all gonna get subscribed. I have a cheat spot. Oh my god, I have cheat spot. Cheat spot. I can't even talking. Why are you taking talking? This girl is suspicious. Hey girl, you are suspicious, bro. You are suspicious. Oh, who's the moral? Sorry guys, I will fail you. Can I get another chance, please? Can I have another chance? Please, guys. Thank you so much if you want to. Thank you if you want to. Yes! Ay! It's a victory! That's mean I win! We winner! Chicken dinner! I'm sorry, guys. I can I have one more chance, please? Thank you. Yes, you give me another chance. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. Na, bang. Oh, dito. Here, dito. Here. Hey, say hi to my video, brother. Brother, say hi to my video. Let's go. I hope I'm gonna be murdered. I'm gonna hunt my brother. Finger crossed. Innocent? Are you innocent? Let's go. What's good, boy? Hey, I have rivals. If you want to 1v1 me in rivals, just comment down below. Say 1v1, I will 1v1 you. I'm so laggy, bro. I'm so laggy. Wala ka mas. Aray! Why are you killing me? Oh, guys, I failed the challenge. Okay, I'm just gonna keep playing. And you're gonna watch the video. I'm sorry I failed. You don't have to subscribe. I'm gonna cry. Last round, guys. Last round. And I'm gonna be rage quit if I die one more time. My next video is a parkour. We're gonna be racing to my brother. Racing my brother. Where is my brother? My brother just killed, bro. General is the murder. General is the monster. He is cheating. What the hell? Is he cheating? Bro, he's cheating. He on the air. Yes, cheating. Is that yes, yes? That's it. He is the murderer. He is the murderer. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him, bro. Shoot him. Shoot him. Let allow. No. We lost. Where are you, boy? Are you cheating? I think he's cheating, bro. Ban this guy. Ban this guy, guys. Please call the admin and ban this guy. He is cheating. Bro. Yes, he is cheating, right? Really, he's cheating. He is cheating. He is cheating, bro. He is cheating. No, yes, oh, he's cheating. He's cheating and still lost. Ha ha ha! What a bum. Aray mo, pakas. Someone speak Tagalog. Are you cheating, bro? Adrian Condi, you're gonna get banned. Bye bye and see you again. Bye bye. You're gonna get banned. You are cheating. He is cheating and still lost. He is cheating and still lost. You are a hacker, bro. Please, 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 finger crossed. What are you? What are you? Are you innocent? I'm innocent.